Hi there boys and girls, today we are going to do a bit of science and today we're going to be thinking about oil spills. Now you might have heard of oil spills, there was one just last week in the Arctic Circle way up near the North Pole. But what does that mean? Surely if you just spill it, you can just wipe it up. Why are oil spills such a big deal? Well, that's what we are going to be investigating today. So what happens when I spill something is I normally just get a bit of kitchen roll and I wipe it up. Done. Now, things get spilt a lot in this house because my dogs have big waggy tails, but it's okay. Use some kitchen roll, mess is gone. So why are oil spills in the news? Why does it matter? Can't they just wipe up the oil? Well, that's what we're going to be learning about today. We're going to do a bit of an experiment with cleaning up oil. You're going to need a few things for this, but all your experiments will look different because it just depends on what you have available in your house or your kitchen and what your parents will let you use. So you will all need a tub. It could be a plastic tub, a roasting tin, whatever you have available. It would be good if you could have some rocks. You get rocks in the sea just to make it look a bit more oceany. Also get plants in the sea. Now, I don't expect you to go to the beach and get some seaweed. You can't do that just now, that's fine. So these are just leaves from a tree in my garden. Any leaves will do. We also get other plants in the sea. They're not buttercups or dandelions, but you do get plants in the sea, so that will do for this experiment. And I'm also going to stick in some like slightly furry material that I've got, just some scraps of furry material. And then it's really important that you put all of the stuff in before this step. I'm going to put in some water. I'm not filling it all the way up, but that's my water in. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop in a little bit of vegetable oil. When oil gets spilt in the sea, it's not vegetable oil. It's normally the sort of oil that turns into car petrol and things like that. But it behaves in the same way. So that is some oil in my sea. So that was the easy bit. Now for the hard part. Now I need you to go and have a think about how you can get that oil out of your sea without taking away any of the water. And how can you make the things that were in your tub to start with clean? Don't want any oil left on them. So go and have a look around your house and see if you can come up with different ideas for how you could take the oil out of your tub. Make sure that an adult is okay with everything that you're using, okay? Pause the video and go and have a look for things that you could use to take the oil out of your mini sea. So now I've gathered a few different things. You'll have different ideas to me, you'll have different things in your house, but some things that you might want to have a go at using are, like a sponge, a cloth, a spoon, a bit of kitchen roll, even a bit of paper. And you need to try to get all of the oil out, but not take out any of the water. You should also remember the sea doesn't just sit still. The sea moves around and this stuff's getting all jumbled up. Okay, so give it a wee sugar and then try and get your oil out without lifting any of the water. So have a go, let me know how you get on. You remember you're trying to get all the oil out and not the water. You're not taking any of the water away. Are the flowers and plants and rocks and bits of fur and feathers and whatever else you've put in, are they still clean? How easy would it be to get the oil off of them? Have a think about it, have an experiment with ways of getting the oil out and let me know how you get on.